A silent storm is brewing in the global markets, gathering force unseen by most. It's a phenomenon poised to reshape fortunes, driven by a perfect convergence of technology, economics, and finite resources. At its heart lies a single lustrous element: silver. As we stand on the precipice of 2026, the question isn't if a price explosion will happen, but how high it will soar. We are witnessing the dawn of a second industrial revolution, one powered by green energy and artificial intelligence. This isn't a distant dream, it's happening now. Vast deserts are being transformed into seas of glass and metal, massive solar farms harnessing the power of the sun. But the secret ingredient in this clean energy transformation is silver. It's the most conductive metal on Earth, making it an irreplaceable component in every solar panel. Without silver, the green transition grinds to a halt. This insatiable demand from the solar industry is just the beginning. The electric vehicle revolution is also accelerating, with every EV containing intricate electronics and silver-coated components that are critical for performance and safety. As millions of these futuristic cars roll onto our roads, their demand for silver adds another powerful current to the rising tide. Furthermore, the explosion of artificial intelligence and the data centers that power it require immense amounts of high-tech hardware, all relying on silver's unparalleled conductivity to function. This isn't just a trend, it's a structural shift in global industrial demand. While technology fuels an unprecedented demand, the global economic landscape is fraught with uncertainty. Persistent inflation erodes the value of currency, and volatile stock markets leave investors searching for a safe harbor. For centuries, in times of economic turmoil, humanity has turned to precious metals. Gold has traditionally worn the crown, but silver is emerging as the people's safe haven. It's more accessible, more versatile, and its role in industry gives it a fundamental value that fiat currencies lack. As individuals and even central banks seek to protect their wealth from the relentless erosion of inflation, the appeal of silver as a tangible asset becomes undeniable. The image of a secure vault filled with gleaming silver bars is no longer just a symbol of wealth, it's a symbol of financial prudence and stability in a world of unpredictability. This dual role, as both an essential industrial commodity and a monetary metal, creates a powerful floor under its price. This collision of skyrocketing demand and safe haven buying is running headfirst into a critical reality: a deepening supply squeeze. The world is simply not mining enough silver to keep up. For years, a structural deficit has been quietly growing, with global consumption consistently outpacing production. Visualizing this gap is stark. The output from massive, capital-intensive mining operations is immediately consumed by high-tech manufacturing facilities. This isn't a temporary imbalance. It's a long-term trend with no easy solution. Bringing new mines online takes years, even decades, and discoveries of high-grade silver deposits are becoming increasingly rare. Animated graphics tracking the supply-demand deficit show a chasm that widens with each passing year, creating immense upward pressure on the price. The stage is set. The convergence of a green energy revolution, the relentless march of technology, a flight to safety from economic uncertainty, and a critical supply deficit are creating the perfect storm. Each driver alone is powerful, but together they form a tidal wave of demand that cannot be ignored. The gleaming silver bar held in an investor's hand is more than just a piece of metal. It's a stake in the future, a claim on the most essential element of the 21st century. As we look towards 2026, one must ask, is silver poised to be the investment of the decade? The evidence is compelling, and the clock is ticking.